Hello, flashlight people. This is my favorite top 4 flashlights. This one is Fenix PD30 Premium XPG R5 LED. On the bottom of this deep, smooth reflector, its beam is tight. It's a throwy light. And its operation is very simple. Reverse Clicky, push and release. Okay. Very quick strobe activation. And in this loosened level, it has low, medium, high, and SOS. Low, medium, high, and SOS. Very simple. I like this simplicity very much. And I don't like this clip cosmetically and practically. This rising up position here is too shallow, which doesn't take this edge of the pocket unless I pull up the clip like this. And it's kind of loose. We can drop off when we sit down. I don't know, but I don't like this clip very much. I like this clip very much. It is landing on the flat surface here and pretty tight, but its entrance is wider than this one. Very different. And this portion on the body side is rising up too. This portion is parallel from here to here. So once it takes the pocket, kind of difficult to drop off. It is biting. This portion is biting the cross. Kind of click here. Very good. I like this clip very much. Oh, I'm sorry. Reverse Clicky, same. And in the loosened level, it has a moonlight mode and low, medium, high, and SOS, beacon, moonlight, low, medium, high. It's simple as this one. I like this simplicity. No memory flashlights. These two have no memory too. The same one, EagleTac D25C2, but LEDs are different. XML U2, XPG S2, 550 lumens, the brightest in this category of flashlights. 550 lumens, but its running time is short, 0.9 hour, while this one, 1.5 hour running time. Much longer than this one, 350 lumens, nearly same as this one. Maybe it will run around the same time, 1.5 to 2 hours. Anyway, it's a throwy light. It's a floody light. Same name, but different characters. And operation, same, reverse Clicky. I feel like all the switching unit came from the same factory. Very similar click feel. The cover, rubber cover, is different, but switch itself seems same. Of course, the inside circuit is different, so the mode is different. Okay. and loosen the level. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high, and some blinking modes. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. 2 cycles of low, medium, high. It's very nice. And no memory, so always start from the low, medium, high. Nice. This switch feel is the best, in my opinion. Good, but this is the most sure operation. Like this. Very sure. Haha. EagleTac. But this clip will have some criticism. Easy to take the cloth of the pocket, but this clip is landing on the o-ring, so it can give damage to the cloth. Already might have got the damage, kind of whitish here, I don't know. Anyhow, you know, shaving or scratching, but it's sure, safe, never drop off. I like it personally, but I personally don't use pocket carry. I use always holster, belt holster, so not a big problem for me. Anyhow, let's go to the test. EagleTac XPG to the end of the corridor, 50 years. EagleTac XML. EagleTac comparison, and let's go to the Fenix PD30 throw. It's a throw right, throw comparison. Fenix PD30 and EagleTac XPG. EagleTac is much brighter. Throw comparison and flat. This is Fenix PD30. It's a flat, very different. For 7 Quark X. This pill brightness is outstanding. This pill. For 7s is a genuine flood, and another flood, EagleTac XML. I hope it will give you a better idea for your next flashlight. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.